Number 2 says add x plus 3 over x minus 5 plus negative 6x minus 58 over x squared plus x minus 30. Identify x values for which the expression is undefined and simplify as much as possible. So x plus 3 over x minus 5, we can't do any factoring there. But in the other one, we can factor out the x squared plus x minus 30. So two numbers that multiply to negative 30 and add to positive 1. So we got x plus 6 times x minus 5. Now you'll notice in both of these they have an x minus 5 in our denominators. It's a weird looking 5. And we need to have common denominators. So they both have an x minus 5, but this one has that x plus 6. So we got to multiply this denominator by x plus 6. And if we're multiplying that denominator by x plus 6, we got to multiply that numerator by x plus 6. So we're going through, again, we got to get common denominators, so we're going to get a common denominator of x plus 6 times x minus 5. Now we got to FOIL this out. X times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x, 6 times x is 6x, so we got 3x plus 6x, let's just make that 9x right away, and then 6 times 3 gives us 18. All over x plus 6 times x minus 5. The other one we have not done any changes to it, so we got minus 6x minus 58. Still all over x plus 6, x minus 5. Now we got to go through and add like terms. So in our numerator, our denominator is going to stay the same. It's going to be x plus 6 times x minus 5. In our numerator, we got x squared, there's nothing like it, so we'll leave it alone. We got 9x plus negative 6x, so we got plus 3x. And then we got 18 plus negative 58. Ooh, that was weird. Plus negative 58, so that gives us minus 40. Now you notice this is to simplify as much as possible. So let's see if we can factor that top out at all. So two numbers that multiply to negative 40 but add to positive 3. So we got x plus 8 times x minus 5 over x plus 6 times x minus 5. And you'll see both the numerator and denominator have an x minus 5, so those cancel out, leaving us with just x plus 8 over x plus 6. Remember, it asks us to identify any x values for where it's undefined. And remember, it can't work in any of your denominators, so we had a denominator of x plus 6 and x minus 5, so x can't be equal to negative 6 or positive 5. And that's our answer.